ABSAC's online support program, Class 8, Week 13, Subject Biology, prepared by Shaista Zeb. Textbook Biology 9, Lahore Publishers. Pages numbers are 74 up to 77. Chapter Cells and Tissues. Lesson topic Animal tissues and its different types. Resources required textbook, internet, connection, notebooks. Introduction summary of the lesson. This lesson is about animal tissues and its major categories, about the cell specifications, locations, and function of the tissues. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the structure and function of different types of muscles tissues, describe the structure and function of different types of nervous tissues. Let's recap your previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we studied about the epithelial tissues and connective tissues. Dear students, can you name some types of the epithelial tissues and connective tissues along with their locations and functions? Muscles tissues, textbook page number 76. Muscles tissues is composed of cells that have ability to shorten or contract in order to produce movement of the body parts. Muscles tissue consists of bundle of long cells called muscle fibers. Muscles contain special proteins called contractile proteins. It is most abundant tissue in an animal. The cell of this type tissue have ability to contract. Muscles tissue vary with the function and location in the body. The human body has more than 600 muscles. There are 3 kinds of muscles tissues according to their function and location. So the first one, that is skeletal muscles, the second one, that is smooth muscle, third one, that is cardiac muscle. Muscles tissues type. Dear student, let's discuss the first type of muscles tissue, that is skeletal muscles. Also called striated muscles are attached to bones. They contain many nuclei. They are responsible for the movement of bones. That is why they are called skeletal muscles, because the whole bones body in the body is called skeleton. So according to that, attachment with the bones is called skeletal muscles. Just look at the diagram. You will see that there are many nucleus present in this cell and striations or striated. So these red lines represents the striated muscles. So according to the straight lines, they are called striated muscles. Dear students, let's discuss the second one, that is smooth muscle, which are found in the alimentary canal, urinary bladder, blood vessels. They contain non-striated cells, each with single nucleus. They are responsible for the movement of substances. Like take the example of the blood vessels, which are helpful in the passages of blood smoothly in your blood vessels. So they are responsible for the movement of the substances like blood. Here's the diagram of the smooth muscles, where you can see the nucleus or all the lines, and there are no red lines present on each of the cells, so that's why they are non-striated cells. Let's discuss the third one category, cardiac muscle, are present in the wall of heart. Cardiac means heart, so that's why these muscles are called cardiac muscles. Their cells are also striated, but there is single nucleus in each cell. They produce heartbeat because they are present in the heart, so that's why they are responsible for the production of heartbeat. Just look at the diagram. There are present the nucleus and the striations, red lines are present, so that's why they are also striated muscles. Nervous tissue. It is the fourth type of an animal tissue. An animal's survival depends on its ability to respond appropriately to the stimuli any change from the environment. This ability requires the transmission of information among the parts of the body. Nervous tissue forms a communication system and performs the tasks. Nervous tissue is the term for the group of unorganized cells in the nervous system, which is The organ system that controls the body movement, sends and carries signals to and from the different part of the body. Like take the example, any stimuli change from the environment, like you touch something hot and immediately remove your hand from that object. So this is the response towards the environment, and this is because of the nervous tissue. Nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is mainly composed of nerve cells or neurons, which are specialized to conduct message in the form of nerve impulse. Neurons or cells that can transmit signals called nerve. This is the diagram of the nervous tissue, and nerve cells are present here. Just look at to the diagram of the nerve cells or neurons. Nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is found in brain. Nervous tissues is mainly found in spinal cord and nerves. Here, the diagram shows that how different tissues in the human body work together and perform different functions at one time. Like look at to the epithelial tissue, muscle tissues, nervous tissues, and look at to the bone, cartilage, and blood. Written work. Describe different types of muscle tissues, explain the nervous tissue, draw and label the diagram of muscle tissue and nervous tissue all types. Thank you, dear students. Have a good day.